Hi, everyone. I wanted to talk to you today about Part 1, South Africa Introduction. We went over the slides linked in the directions in class, but I've put these here again for you because it makes it easier to reference them and answer your questions. So definitely open those and help you. I obviously you know where the directions are for via video because you've already clicked here. That's why you're listening to me right now. I broke down your questions by slides. So after reading slides 1 through 3, you'll answer this question. After reading slide 4, you have a little video to watch there. Give me one takeaway from the video. After slides 5 and 6, name 2 resources that South Africa has. So these slides have everything that you need. I will talk about them. I'm going to go over them in class. We'll have a little discussion, but the information that you do need is on the slides. So don't feel like you have to go out and Google. You don't have to do any of that. It's all within the slides. You'll use slides 7 through 9 for number 4, slide 10 for number 5, slide 11 for question 6, and then the final slides will help you with number 7. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm trying to give you all the resources that you need and, explain the directions verbally just in case you forgot after we went over it in class. So I'm here to help. Let me know what you need.